Hi to everyone from B1 Engineering Placement. Today we are going to discuss about the question paper on TCS NQT 2021. In this question paper, mainly we discuss all the questions with shortcut solutions. In TCS NQT 2021, 26 questions given from aptitude, 30 questions given from reasoning. So this aptitude and reasoning have more important in this TCS NQT online examination text. Please watch my video, please share my videos and subscribe my channel. So now first we are going to discuss the aptitude questions. The first question is HCF of 3 by 16, 5 by 12, 7 by 8 is. So HCF of fractions equal to formula is HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. So 3, 5, 7. HCF is always either equivalent to lesser value, least value, or lesser than least value. 3 is not divides 5 and 7. Next lesser value is 2. 2 is not divides all the three numbers. Next 1 divides 3, 5 and 7. So 1 divided by. Next here. 1 divided by, only one option is there, 1 by 48. So 48 divided by 16, 12, 8. So 1 by 48 is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. Next. If in a game of 80, P can give 16 points to Q and R can give 20 points to P, then in a game of 150, how many points can R give to Q? Now, in the game of 80, P gives 16 points to Q. That means P is 80, Q is 64. Next, R can give 20 points to P. R is 80, so P is 60. Now, then in the game of 150, how many points can R give to Q? Now here clearly observe that here 60, 64. 60 in one case, that second person gets here, another case 60, 60 into 64 into, here the game points is in second case is 150 divided by, in first case and second case highest value is 80 game, so 80 into 80. 0 0 get cancelled, 8 1 ja, 8 8 ja, 8 10 ja, 0 0 get cancelled, 15 6 ja, 90. So 90 R will give to Q. So 90 is the right answer. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km in downstream. Now distance is 68. Downstream speed is boat speed plus water speed. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 1 ja, 17 4 ja, 4 hours. Distance by speed is time. So option number B is the right answer. Solve 2x plus 5 equal to 9. 2x equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 2 is the right answer. X value is 2. Next. 1344 divided by 14. Divided by 14 means into 1 by 4 into 34 minus 35% means 35 by 100 into 540. Half means into 540 minus 45% means 45 by 100 into 1320 equal to x. 14 1 ja, 14 8 ja, 132, carry 120, 126, carry 8, 84, 14 6 ja. Otherwise, we divide with 4. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja 12. Carry 2. Carry 1. 1 4 14. 14 4 3 ja 12. 24 4 6 ja. 14 1 ja 14 2 ja 28. Carry 5 56. 14 4 ja 56. 24. Now here 0 0 get cancelled. 2 5 ja 2 2 ja 2 7 ja 5 1 ja 5 7 ja 0 0 get cancelled. 2 5 ja 2 6 ja 2 6 ja 5 1 ja 5 9 ja. So 24 into 34 96 72 81 8 16 minus 7 7 ja 49 7 2 ja 14 18 189 minus 9 6 ja 54 9 6 ja 54 plus 559 equal to x. 816 minus 13 10 8 6 7 783 equal to x. 3 3 33. X value is 33. Option number D is the right answer. Next, a train traveling at 60 km per hour crosses a man in 6 seconds. What is the length of the train? So distance equal to length of the train whenever the train crosses a man. So length of train equal to speed into time. 60 into kilometer per hour converted to meter per second. 5 by 18 into 6. 6 1 ja 6 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 0. 20 into 5 100. 100 meters is the right answer. Option number A. Next, Alfred buys an old scooter for 4,700 and spends 800 on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for 5,800, his gain percent is. So 4,500, 700 plus 800, 5,500 is the cost price. Selling price is 5,800. Profit is 300. 300 by cost price is 5,500 into percentage 100. 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 6 ja 0. 11 5 is 55, carry 5 by 11%. 5 5 by 11%. Option number B is the right answer. Next, assertion. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Law Day is celebrated in India on 26 November every year. Now both A and R individually true. This individually both are true. But R is not the correct explanation of A. So option number B is the right answer. Next. A train 800 meters long is running at a speed of 78 km per hour. If it crosses a tunnel in 1 minute, then the length of the tunnel is. So here distance is length of train plus tunnel length. So it is 800 plus x equal to speed into time. 78 into 5 by 18 into 1 minute is 60 seconds. 6 10 ja, 6 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18. 5 6 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 13. Here 1 into 10 means 1300. So x equal to 500. Tunnel length is 500. Next. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach target of 282? So 10 into 3.2 means 32 runs in 10 overs. So remaining 40 hours, you can make how many runs means 282 minus 32 means 250. 250 out of 40 overs. For 1 ja, 4 6 ja 24, carry 1 102, 10 10, 4 2 ja 8, carry 2 20 20, 4 5 ja, 6.25. 6.25 is the required run rate to reach that score. The average weight of 16 boys in a class is 50.25 kilograms, and that the remaining 8 boys is 45.15 kilograms. Find the average weights of all the boys in the class. So 50.25 into 16, it gives the sum of weights of all the 16 boys, plus 45.15 into 18, 8. It gives sum of the weight of that 8 boys divided by 16 plus 8, 24 boys. 16 5 is 80, 16 2 is 32, 40. 1600 plus 4 16 5 is 80, plus 8 5 is 40, 8 2 8 1 is 8, carry 4 12, 8 5 is 40 41, 8 4 is 32 36, divide by 24. 0.2 5 6 11 0.24. 24 1 ja, 24 4 ja 96, carry 20, 205, 24 7 7 4 ja 28, 7 to the 14, 16, 24 8 8 4 ja 32, it is 16 192, 24 8 ja. So 48 point something. Only one answer is there. That answer is C. Option number C is the right answer. When did the UN General Assembly adopt the Statute of the International Civil Service Commission? December 1984. The exact date is 18th December 1974. That is the exact date of the International Civil Service Commission. A train 125 meters long passes a man running at 5 km per hour in the same direction in which the train is going in 10 seconds. The speed of the train is here in the same direction means relative speed is difference of the speeds. So x minus 5 into this is in kilometer per hour. So convert into meter per second, we get 5 by 18. Speed equal to distance by time. Distance is 125 by 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja. 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. So x minus 5 equal to 9 5 is a 45. X equal to 40. So 45 plus 5, 50. 50 kilometer per hour. That is the speed of the train. Option number B is the right answer. A pupil's marks were wrongly entered 83 instead of 63. Due to that, the average marks for the class got increased by half. The number of pupils in the class is 83 minus 63 value is 20. Point. How many marks increases? That number of people is x equal to half. So x equal to total number of people in that class is 40. Next. The average monthly income of P and Q is 5050. The average monthly income of Q and R is 6250. Q plus R by 2 equal to 6250. The average monthly income of P and R is 5,200. P plus Q value. Q plus R value is 0, 10, 2, 5, 12,500. P plus R value is 10,400. 2 into P plus Q plus R equal to 0, 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 33,000. So P plus Q plus R value equal to 2, 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 0 0, 16,500. Now subtract Q plus R value. 12,500 to subtract. We get P value. 4,000. Option number B is the right answer. Next. The curved surface area of cylinder pillar is 264 meter square and its volume is 924 meter cube. Find the ratio of its diameter to its height. So surface area is 2 pi r h. Volume is pi r square h. Volume value is 924. So surface area is 264. Pi get cancelled. 1 r is get cancelled. H get cancelled. Now 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. 4 3 ja, 4 3 ja. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja. 11 3 ja, 11 2 ja 22, 1 1, 11 1 ja. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. R equal to 7. To find H value. Substitute this R value in one of this equation. Pi 2 pi r h 2 into 22 by 7 into R into R value 7 into H equal to 264. 7 7 get cancelled. 11 2 ja, 11 2 ja, 11 4 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So H value is 6. So 7 is to 6 is the here its diameter. Diameter is 14 is to height is 6. 2 7 ja, 2 3 ja. 7 is to 3 is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. If January 1, 1996 was Wednesday, Monday, what day of the week was January 1, 1997? 1996, it is divisible by 4 completely, so it is leap year. So leap year, it consists of 2 odd days. So the next January 1st, it will become on Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So next Wednesday is the right answer. 2 odd days means, so it come on Wednesday. How many times of the hands of a clock coincide in a day? So the hands of clock coincide in a day is 22. How to get means the hands of both clocks coincides at 1 5, 210, 315, 420, 525, 630, 735, 840, 945, 1050, 1050. But at 11:55 they won't coincide each other. So here in 12 hours time, this 11 number of times they coincide. Another 12 hours time, another 11 number of times. 11 into 11, 22 times. So option number B is the right answer. A shopkeeper sold an article for 2,500. If the cost price of the article is 2,000, find the profit percentage. A profit is 500. By cost price is 2,000. Into percentage is 100. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja. 25% is the right answer. A 60-liter mixture of all milk and water contains 10% water. How much water must be added to make water 20% in the mixture? Here, in 60 liters, 10% is water. 10% water means 6 liters. 90% milk means 54. Now, here, next year, we increase the water, we add water, but the fixed value is milk. So now this milk, it will become 80%. 80% value is how much? 54. So what is the value of this 20% value? To find. 2 4 ja 0. 2 2 ja 4. 2 7 ja. 21 ja 22 ja. Now 2 1 ja 2 13.5. So this 20% value is 13.5 liters. Already how many liters is there water? 6. So for this 6 liters, we add 7.5 liters, then only we get 13.5 liters. Then only this water count in this mixture will become 20%. So 7.5 liters is the right answer. In what ways the letters of the word rumor can be arranged? Here totally 6 letters is there, 6 factorial. Or repeated 2 times, you repeated 2 times. You write divide by. 6 factorial value is 720. Divide by 2 into 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, 12, 0. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 0. 180. 180 is the right answer. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 40 meters or 5 seconds. What is the time taken by A over the course? So A beats by B 40 meters. That 40 meters covered in 5 seconds. That means 8 meters per second. So 1 kilometers means 1000 by 8. Time equal to distance by speed. 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 16, 4 0 40, 8 5 ja, 125 seconds. 125 seconds, this is taken by B. A takes 5 seconds less. A takes only 120 seconds. 120 seconds means 2 minutes. 2 minutes is the right answer. What is the market price? A 9% share when a person gets 180 by investigating 4,000. Now here we see that. We assume the face value of share is 100 rupees. Here dividend is given, 9% means 9 rupees. Now here is given that 180 you get income on investment of 4,000. Now find the value of the share. So here on this 4,000 you get 180 rupees income into share value is 9. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 0. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 0. So 200. So here is investing divided by income into share. We get that income into for I is percentage of share. So we get that share value of that one. So 200 is the right answer. One one two zero divided by square root question mark equal to 80. 0 0 get cancelled. 8 1 ja. 8 1 ja carry 332. 8 4 ja. Now square root of question mark equal to 14. Square root equal to 14 square value is 190 square. Square root to send from this side that side we get question mark equal to 196. Option number C is the right answer. X equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1, then x plus 1 equals to x plus 1 equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus 1. LCM is root 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 into root 2, 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus root 2 by root 2 plus 1. We rationalize this equation. So multiply denominator numerator with 1 minus root 2 or root 2 minus 1. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, 2 into 1, 2, root 2 into root 2, 2 minus root 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2 divided by 2 minus 1 value is 1, which is equal to root 2. So root 2 is the right answer. Option number D is the right answer. So up to this aptitude questions completed. Next we are going to discuss about reasoning questions. Here in this exam 30 reasoning questions will be given. First one is choose the correct alternative from the given one that will complete the series. 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 plus 2, 8 into 3 plus 3 27, 24, 27 into 4 plus 4, 112 into 5 plus 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5 plus 6, 5 1 is 5, 560 plus 5, 560. By option number D is the right answer. Now A to G plus 6, 7 plus 6, 6 plus 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 is yes, Z minus 6, T, 26 minus T, 20, minus 6, 14, 14 minus 6, 8, 8 is H, SS is the right answer. Now 2 to 8, difference is 6, 20 to 8, 12, 20 to 48, 28, 48 to 92, 44. This one is 96. Here difference is 182 and 6 2 ja. 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Here we need 24 is the difference. 20 plus 24, 44. So 48 is the wrong number. So option number C is the right answer. Next question. Select the word which can be formed from the word measurement. So M is there, A is there, master, S is there, T is there, E is there, R is there. So all this master word formed with the letters of this given word measurement. So option number A is the right answer. Select the related word or letter or number from the given alternatives. Energy represented in in units joule. Similarly, resistance represented in units ohm. Option number D is the right answer. Now here 25. 1 square value is 1. 25 square value is 625. Option number D is the right answer. Now here we see M is 13, S is 19, I is 9. 13 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 means O. So only one word start with O. So option number B is the right answer. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. A river, wind, current. Here we see that lake. Lake only moves. Remaining all these are they won't move. So option number A is the right answer. Next PYJB. Now here we see that P value is 16, J 10, B is 2, Y is 25. All these are even number. This one is different. So B is the right answer. Three 24, 244, 136. Which one is different? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Yes, 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. So different one is 324. So odd number. These two are even numbers. Sum of digits value. The number find which when divided to itself 13 times given 112. X plus 13 times of that x is 13x equal to 112. 14x value is 112. 14 1 ja, 14 8 ja. X value is 8. Option number B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following given response would be a meaningful order of the following? Pupa, larva, moth, X is given. So here X is first one, 4. Next larva is second one. Next one is pupa, that one is first one. First one is moth, 4 2 1 3. Option number A is the right answer. A series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones. Now, first here 2 to 27, 29 difference is 27. 29, 9. Next 38 to 47, 9 is the difference. Next difference is also 9. 47 plus 9, 56. Option number B is the right answer. Now, here we see B, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, H, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, H, K. One here, next one. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, G. H, K, G is option number B. Arrange the numbers in 2s ascending order. So starting value is 8, 2, 3, 8, 3, 4, 3, 4, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 is option number C is the right answer. Next one. B, CCA, CCA, BA, BBC, BCA. Now here you see 2 times C repeated. So here B also repeated 2 times. Yes, similarly A repeated 2 times. BA. Here BAA, BB, C, BBC, BB, CC. So BA, ABC. BA, ABC is option number A is the right answer. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. A, B, C, D, I, J, K, L, D, L. Option number A is the right answer. If 10 into 2 is 8, so 10 minus 12 is 8. 14 into 4 is 10. That means 14 minus 4 value is 10. 24 minus 24 into 13 means 24 minus 13 value is 11. Option number B is the right answer. Which of the following crops would be preferred for sowing in order to enrich the soil with nitrogen? So soil with nitrogen means gram. If node is written as PQVG, then time is written as NOP plus 2. OPQ plus 2. TUVIJK VKOG. Option number B is the right answer. Choose the correct alternative from the given one that will complete the series. A, F. A, F means plus 5. E, 5. J means 10 plus 5. F, F is 6. 6 to 11. 11 means K. K start with only 1. That means option number C is the right answer. KO. Next one. 9, 17, 31, 57, 205. 9 2 ja. 18, 18 minus 1. 17 3 ja. 17 2 ja. 34 minus 3. 31 2 ja. 31 2 ja. 60, 62 minus 5. 57 3. 57 2 ja. 114 minus 7. 114 minus 7 value is 107. Option number D is the right answer. Next one. BMN EOQ IQS. B plus 3 EFGHI plus 4. I is 9. E is 5 plus 4. Next plus 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 means B, C, D, C, D, E, F, G, H, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M, N, O. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So no value start with N. So no option is there. So none of this is the answer. Next question. B to H. H value is 8, B value is 2 means plus 6. So for this value is N value is 6 plus 6. This one is 14. 14 plus 6 value is 20. That means T. D, J. D value is 4, J value is 10. Plus 6. J2, P. P is 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6. 22. 22 value is V. T, V. F value is 5. 12. F value is 6. 6 plus 6. 6 here plus 6. Next one also. So R value is 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 is X. T, B, X. Option number C is the right answer. Next, find the odd number or word or letter number pair from the given alternatives. Zinc, bronze, silver, platinum. So here zinc, bronze, silver, platinum. Platinum is different one. Next, now 272, 210, 240, 304. Now here 9 to 11. Here 3, here 6, here 7. So all these three are odd numbers. This one is in a even number. C is the correct answer. RKD, UNG, MTF, SLE. Now here, see that R is 18, U is TU 21, M is 13, S is 19, O, P, Q, R, next K, R, K, D, D, G, F, E, F, G, D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G, K, L, here is M. So this one is different. Option number C is the right answer. So now once you can see D, E, F, G, K, L, you need M, N. But M is not there. So this is the wrong answer. So option number C is the right answer. Twenty-five, 625. 25 is common. 6 actually added. Here also 35 is common. 6 we add. 635 is the right answer. Film ADGH, milk. F, F is 6 minus 5 here. M is 13 minus 5. Minus 5 is 8. 8 means H. So H. Next, I is 9. D is 4 minus 5. I is 9 minus 5. 4. 4 is D. HD. HD is only one is there. That one is C. HDGE. Option number C is the right answer. So this H is 8. F is 6 minus 2. S is 19 minus 2 is 17. 17 is Q. C A minus 2. A H G. G back two letters is E F E. E Q E. So option number A is the right answer. I think everyone understood all my shortcut methods. These are very useful to crack TCS NQT online exam. Please watch my videos up to end, from starting to end. Please share my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.